topic is how to convert Word to PDF or PDF to Word, and how to merge documents, and how to split the large document into small parts. So we shall see the document conversion overall here. Just I have opened a Word document. I'm going to save it in the desktop. So for this let me give PDF or sample. So see here, normally if it is saved as a Word document, it will be in the extension of .doc. Otherwise we shall save it as PDF or various format. I'm going to save it as PDF. So you can just save it with the help of save as type to PDF. We shall check over here. Now the sample document is saved as PDF document. I have saved in the desktops. So here the sample document is saved as PDF. Let us just convert this sample document, PDF document, into Word again now. So for that conversion we are going to change here PDF to Word document. So first the options are we have got the suggestion: I love PDF, small PDF, soda PDF, and Adobe, Nitro, Zodo, PDF converter, PDF to doc, investing, tech. So there are lots of options. In that we can choose I love PDF for example. So for this there is various options in this toolbar. See here, merge PDF, split PDF. For example, if you are having multiple Word documents, for example if you are having your mark sheets and your community certificates, and you have to merge the transfer certificate all into a single document, you can choose this option. And if you want to split those large document, you can choose the split PDF. And for compress, if you are having a big PDF document, for example if you are having more than 1500 pages or 2000 pages, you can compress it here. And conversion PDF, you'll see here JPG to PDF, that is picture to PDF, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF. There are a lot of options over here. So you can convert this documents in this I love PDF. For example, we have saved sample PDF. Let us convert it over here. Select PDF file. I have saved in the desktop. So in the desktop, sample, just click open. So here at the right side corner, convert to Word, click over here. So our document has been converted. Just choose the download Word. See in the bottom of the left side, sample document has been downloaded. You can now open it. So conversion and saving in the different format is easy. For small conversion of documents, I love PDF is okay, and others also okay, though it has some range. For example, it can be converted only for small documents. In Adobe you can convert the book also. For example, if you have book over 2000 pages or over 1000 pages, you can convert it in the Adobe Acrobat. So you can make use of this. Before converting, just sign in to this Adobe. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, text me in the comment. New viewers, do subscribe. Please share this video to your friends. Thank you.